Okay, hi brother, this is us camping. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. I'm gonna put it on YouTube when we're home. I have one, you can share links with people. We're gonna take you to see some birds, brother. I think you're gonna like this. This is the ocean. Hello, ocean. Alright, get ready for the coolest thing you've ever seen, brother. It's all these wee birds. Okay, check this out, brother. They live in the cliffs. In those holes, there's little babies, and they're so small. I don't know. Oh, I can zoom in. Check it out. These are cliffs. Look. Oh, I moved it. They're feeding. See, wee babies. Those are babies in there. See the little heads? And it goes all the way around the cliff. And your boy. Love you, brother. Wish you guys were here.